Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use customized cutout on CapCut PC. So I will be just selecting a video. You can also use a picture for this, of course. But for me, I'm just going to select a video. I'm going to select, let's say, this one. Then I will just copy. Well, I don't need to copy and paste. I'm just going to leave it. Then I'm going to select cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout. To customize it, you're going to use these strokes that are here. They have a pro feature, but I'm not going, well, you can still kind of like see what it looks like. So there's paper stroke, this glow one, and there's also this one. But there's also some free ones. There is this one. There is the solid one, there's an offset one, as well as the dots one. You can also adjust the size of the dots as well as the spacing here. So just like whichever one you want, I'm just going to select this one. You can also adjust the opacity on that, and you can also change the color to your liking. I quite like this color. And that is it. You can add in like a background here. So go to basic, go to canvas, and go to style. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!